Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Kitty. I am neither a crafter nor an artisan today though, because today we're going to just be, opening up a surprise thing. I know, surprise things are usually my Monday short, one of my Monday shorts, but this is not going to take 3 minutes or less. So we're just gonna do the normal old format. We're just gonna put it up as a normal old video and we'll see what happens. And the reason why I have this, the big giant one, sounds like there's a spring in there somewhere. It's probably this thing. Isn't that cute? How cute is that? Anyways, yeah, I have these for the same reason that I have all of those fashion balls that I've been doing on Mondays, is because they're being sold at my local Ollie's for like $10. It's usually like, I don't know, it's usually $20. That's not too bad. I thought they were $30, but I'm not paying $20 for this. $10 is okay though. But I mean, it's just an unboxing, so let's get right into it. Okay, let's open this up. And if you watch my mini Mondays, which most of which are on TikTok, although I'm moving away from that platform, you will understand my frustration with those stupid zippers. And I'm not entirely sure how I was supposed to get the plastic off of that before getting the wings off of it, or getting the wings off of it before opening it, and I have to take the tape off of it before I can open it. And then I found out that there was, in fact, another piece of tape hidden underneath the wings that I couldn't find. I don't know, I think there was a clip in there somewhere that I was supposed to be able to get to the wings from, but my fingertips are too fat or something. I don't even know. Look, there's the tape. Yeah. Oh well. But look, he's so fluffy and cute. And his little belly cover. I don't understand why they use those stickers for the belly covers, because they just don't work. They don't work. But look at how cute he is. And it's funny because I didn't even notice he had a scar over his eye until I started editing the video. Yeah. Anyway, slime. This slime is definitely different than the slime we get from the, I don't even know, is it the fashion that comes with the slime? No. The kawaii, I don't remember. Something comes with slime. The pink slime that I was shaking earlier. It's kind of the same. It's very similar. And why they decided to put it into a plastic bag, I don't know, because it was so messy. Look at that. This stuff is way stickier than the pink stuff. This stuff... Both of these are a lot like the stuff that I used to get from gumball machines, and I love it so much. It's very nostalgic, but you don't want to do it anywhere near anything fabric because they are wet and they are gross. And this little guy, he's a little pencil topper. He's gonna top lots of pencils. He is so cute. Look at him. So cute. And I guess that's the real surprise, that little tiny pencil topper. There's 1,000 of them, where there's only 5 or 6 of the big guy. I don't know. Lots of stickers. The stickers, I feel, are probably part of the 35 surprises. What? No, no. Each individual sticker is not one surprise. Thank you. No. But they are really cute stickers, aren't they? I'm hoping someday to make my own stickers. Do you think I should make my own stickers? I can make my own characters and we can have our own characters. I think it sounds like fun. Anyways, he's super cute. And the wings do fit. I'm speaking out my ass later. The wings fit just fine. Wee, he's so cute. Ah. And it's so appropriate. Disco. Do the disco. Yay. Well, that was mildly disappointing. It is super cute and soft. I could tell you right now that these, I'm assuming there's some kind of iron-on vinyl. they are not gonna last. They're just barely hanging on to the fur. But you know what? They're really cute. I can imagine myself, if I had gotten this as a child, I have a picking tendency, so I would have these little stars would have kept me busy for hours and hours and hours while I picked them off of his fur. And then I would have been very, very sad that they were all gone. But, you know, that's what children do. They do stupid things and then they're sad about it and then they learn not to do that again. Anyways, but look how cute he is. Appropriate. Disco. I like that because disco, you know. He's cute. He's got a cute horn. Like I said, I got some cute wings. And a big shoestring to tie them around my shoulders. Because they're meant for children. That's not going to work. Anyways, then we got this little dude. Whoops. Right side up. Super cute. He's semi-transparent, so that's cool. Got these cute little stickers. More cute little stickers. And some slime. Anyways, so yeah, that's it for this week. I hope it wasn't too terribly boring or disappointing, but until next week, stay safe.